I'm not that kind of DJ. I don't do that kind of stuff. I just like to play music. Look, I don't do all that crazy stuff, man. Or I don't do those kind of events because people want me because I'm crazy and wild and I do games and okay, got it. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License. Thanks for being a part of the Dog and Pony Show, and thank you for being nice to my sponsors, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, and of course DJ NTV and the DJ NTV DJ Show. Okay, so, by the way, there's a code to get you a better price in the DJ Show. Just look at the thing below and get you a really great ticket. So anyway, that's the kind of things I hear from guys who don't want to take classes or don't want to work on their performance or don't want to get DVDs or books or try anything new. And I don't get it from everybody. The people I get it from are the ones that come to me and say, I am so stuck in the way I'm doing things and I don't know what to do. My customers are dying off. I really got to look for something new. And then when I make suggestions like books or DVDs or classes or whatever those things are, those are the things I hear. Oh yeah, but I'm not that kind of DJ. Or they say, I can't make enough money. I said, well, sure you can. You just have to charge more money. You know, go charge more. You know, you can do that. You're pretty good. In fact, you're really good. I've seen you. You go, oh yeah. No, I know the kind of things you do, Bill. And of course, you know, they're going to pay you because you're really good at that stuff. But I don't do that stuff. I don't want to do that stuff. I'm not that kind of a guy. Okay, so it's frustrating for me, only because, and not because I feel like people are telling me I'm wrong or that I need them to listen to me. It's frustrating because I see someone saying out loud that they need a thing, they want a thing. But in the same breath, they have come up with lots of reasons why they can't have it. Okay? And most of it is, that's just the way I am. Okay, that's okay. Now let's just, in this video, talk about that. And let's take on the idea that that is true. Okay? And that you're okay with that. Or that you're not necessarily, because you're not. That's the problem, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. You're not. You don't want to do these things I suggest, but you want to do something because you want to make more money. You want people to pay you more. You want people to hire you more. So what am I going to do? And then you get suggestions. And you say, well, I'm not. So, okay, if you want to go with that, here's another solution. How about own who you are? Be yourself and own it. If you're the DJ who doesn't do games, never opens the mic, doesn't get crazy and do a thing, then why not build yourself that image and own it in such a way that no one can get that more than this client with you? That itself is worth as much as what I charge because they can only get you, which is kind of the whole secret anyway, right? The whole secret. The reason that they pay me what they pay me is that I'm me. I'm always me. And they can't get me without hiring me. So now there's nothing out there to buy except for one thing, me. So if they want me, they have to pay a fee to have it. Now I have to create some kind of value, not value, but at least create some sort of a reputation so that, you know, I'm in demand, and I am, thank goodness. But the in demand can come from you just deciding that I am who I am, and that's all that I am. I got a really close friend. I've used this thing before. This DJ that I know and a friend that I have, his name is Chopper. He's here in Minnesota. We've been friends since much longer back than I want to admit. It couldn't be that long because I'm only 23. But Chopper is a guy who really owns the kind of DJ he is. He'll do a wedding, sure. Will he wear a tuxedo? No. Even if they want him to, because that's what he does and he owns it. What does he wear? He wears polka dot pajamas with the sleeves cut off and the legs cut off and big red tennis shoes and crazy moose hats and he shoots off pop guns and does crazy games and throws out a first pitch at weddings. DJs with the front end of a GTO, a real front end, not even a fiberglass one. Okay, he brings in stacks of speakers. I mean, gosh, still, he's older than I am. Okay, and he still is bringing in stacks of speakers that make him look like he's putting on a concert. All these things, many of us go, God, Chopper, why do you do all this stuff? It's so hard to do, and you already have a reputation. You're so good at this, but why are you doing this? Well, because he's done the thing that many of us haven't. He owns who he is. This is what he does. This is who he is. And the clients who want that, they go after him. And he's booked all the time for a really good amount of money. He's even the first one to tell you he's not that great of a DJ. But he tells crazy, wacky jokes. And he'll get your grandma to do the hula hoop on top of his GTO. Right? Nobody does that. Nobody does that except for Chopper. So, and he owns it. So what about you are you owning? Really? And if you don't want to own it, and you really want to find something to be different, you want to be something other than yourself, you can take those classes and everything like that. But even within that, you have to be you. You still have to own who you are, even if you're telling stories or special introductions or doing edits or telling wacky jokes or dancing on the top front end of your GTO. Do it Chopper's way. You still got to do it as you owning who you are, how good you are and how good you're not. All right, that's what I got to say today. I went a little long, sorry. This is Bill. This is Creative License. I'll see you next time. Bye.